Hey guys, happy Saturday. I just finished getting ready. We do have a few people coming over today. It's currently 1:40, so I got a pretty late start to the day and I started doing my makeup. I actually wanted to film today some content for YouTube, but let me just show you the reality of Canada. I sat here for about like an hour, or was it? It was like around an hour for me to do my makeup and to do my hair and get ready and get dressed and everything. And I get ready in my den. So my den doesn't have any windows or it doesn't have any natural light. I just use my vanity light that I have. So I don't really see what's going on outside while I'm getting ready, but I finished getting ready and it was super sunny in the morning, or at least there was some type of daylight. And now this is what I'm currently working with. I mean, to be honest, it basically looks like it's nighttime. I'm not gonna lie, I definitely do not have enough light to film at all. And I wanted to film like a vlog style video where I'm showing you my favorite IKEA products. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and film that tomorrow anyway, because usually when days like this are super gloomy, the next day is usually pretty sunny. But today we have some friends coming over, which is exciting. So our wedding video came out, so we are hosting kind of like a watch party. So we have a few friends coming over, not a lot, not too much, because you know, COVID and everything, and we're not allowed to gather in large amount of people, but we do have a few friends coming over. So I wanted to get some things in order with the house. First up is going to Canadian Tire. I mean, it sucks because now I fully got ready and I got dressed and I can't film, so I'm probably gonna have to change my top at least when I do some cleaning so that I don't ruin it, but that's fine. That's okay. So yeah, I'll go to Canadian Tire. I want to get a basket. I'll show you guys the things that I want to do. So I actually got from HomeSense these pillows right here. I like them. I think they're super cute, but I do need a few more pillows. Wow, this room really echoes, huh? And I'm gonna change my duvet to the beige one so that it matches a bit more, and I also need to wash this one. So I did that the other day, and then I also wanted to get cushions for my couch, but the ones that I got I didn't really like. They were just too gray, and then the living room just overall looked way too gray for my liking. So yeah, but I'm not gonna do that today. Actually, the pillows, I'm gonna do that another day, and then I'll show you guys what I got when I do that. But for today, I'll show you what I want to get. So for today, I'm kind of doing some dressing room changes. So the first thing is I have this bag right here that has my filming equipment. So this, well, let me move this aside so you can see. So here I have my filming equipment. So this stuff right here, I need to have it in my dressing room, and I need to have it like accessible and everything, but I do not like this black bag that it comes in. So I was thinking I'll get kind of like a basket so I can put this stuff in it. And I'm also going to be getting rid of this board. I just don't use it at all, I'm going to be honest. Like, I put everything on my iPad and I really do not use this whatsoever. So I'm going to be getting rid of this, and most probably putting the basket that I'll have the lights in and stuff, I'll put it over here so it looks a bit cuter. And that's it for over here. And then I also want to get some more baskets for the media unit. So right now we have these speakers in the media unit, so I'm probably going to be moving these speakers to the sofa, the storage in the sofa, because we don't actually need them for the TV. They're more for when Adham wants to DJ, and when we have some friends over, maybe we want some music to be on loud and while Adham DJs and stuff. So that's why we have these speakers, but we don't use them on the regular. So we're probably gonna put them back in the sofa storage so that it's accessible anyway, and if we need them we can just take them out. And over here I'll put some baskets to kind of tie in some more earthy tones. I feel like I need some earthy tones in the living room because it's I have the marble table, and I have, you know, kind of like the gray carpet and the super white couch, so I need some earthy tones to warm it up a little bit. And we need them anyway for some storage, so putting in cables and all these little things would be good. yeah, so it's 1:30 right now. Our friends are coming over at 7. So I have a few hours to go to Canadian Tire, come back, organize everything, and clean up a little bit. I'm kind of scared to step outside, I'm gonna be honest. The weather does not look promising at all, but yeah, I'll wear my thickest jacket and hope for the best. I'm gonna be driving most of the time, and I'll try to park indoors. Okay, so I just got back from Canadian Tire, and that was actually pretty quick because I found what I was looking for right away. So this is what I got. Okay, so I got this for my filming room. It's actually pretty big. So the one that I already have for my hair tools is about up to here. So this one is pretty big. I don't know if you can tell, like, compared to my hand, but I think it's gonna be a good size for all of my filming equipment, all of my lighting, the stands for my lighting, and everything like that. And then I got 2 of these to put in the media unit. Yeah, so it's actually 3 right now. Sorry, I'm just sitting on the floor. That's why there's a dishwasher behind me. But I have to pick Adham up from work in like around 3.5 hours. So I'm thinking I will set these things up, and I'm going to show you guys what it ends up looking like. This is a massager that I got for Adham for his birthday. So I thought that it was going to be like chargeable, but it's not, so we're gonna exchange it from Amazon. So I'm gonna put that in the room for now, because for people to get into the washroom, they have to walk by the den. So I always like to make sure when people come over that the den is looking nice, it's looking tidy, there isn't any extra stuff in it. So I'll put this in my room for now, and I'll also be putting the pillows that I'm gonna return in my room. Okay, so as I said, this I'm gonna be getting rid of. So I'm just gonna remove everything that's on here. I really do not use this, and I don't think it looks good or looks pretty in the dressing room or anything like that. So I'm just gonna remove everything that's on it, and then I'll probably just put it in the recycling or donate it or something. So I just put the boards by the door so that I just bring it down to the recycling. So now I'm going to be emptying this right here. And then I'll probably just find somewhere to put this, probably under the sofa as well. Okay, so this is what it's looking like right now. I think it actually fits pretty well. There was no way that I was going to find a basket that's tall enough for these, so I knew they were going to stick out anyway, but I don't mind it. And these are the actual lights right here. This is what I use to diffuse the lights. It's just like a photography diffuser sheet that I cut into pieces. And then I have over here my cables and these things that hold the diffuser sheet for me. So basically everything that I would need to set up my lighting. And then I could also put in my tripod that I use over here and everything else. So I'm just thinking now, should I keep it over here or should I put it in this area where it doesn't really show when you first walk in? Okay, so I actually like how that looks a lot better. I think that looks really nice. And I like that you don't see it like right when you first walk in. It's not like a focal point of the wardrobe.
Maybe I can see you drinking too much. Tipsy cause you sipping on your gold Dutch. Some call it rough, but I just call it low touch. Compliment you as our toes touch in a Reebok. Heart fermenting as I rolled up. Your knee sucks, your teardrops collect on the tear of your red top. Love so deep, had me hitting bedrock. The lead stops until I get my head on. Liquid love on the rocks. Cup of tea with some scotch. Describe your day and your sucks. I'm addicted to you, a victim of my own plot. Depict a life I forgot. I'm sick of righting my wrongs. A listen said love is enough. Drink what was left in my cup. Symbolizes when to give up. Somewhere in that is a lesson you can pick up. I'm sick of being such a sucker for a kiss of your lips. A tonic and gin, the saga begins. I wanna pretend, condemned for my sins. Flipping predicaments, sniffing in cigarettes. Kissing through a silhouette, you'll soon forget them.
I put the baskets right here, so I replaced the speakers that were over here with these two baskets. I just have this in here for now temporarily because I don't know where to put it, but I'm most probably going to be placing this along with that candle over there, and they look good with the pampas next to it over there. Now the only thing that I still don't know what to do with is the coffee table over here. I just have this one piece, but I think it looks very lonely. I think maybe a candle would look cute, but I don't know. It's a work in progress. But for now, I think this looks fine. So I'm still gonna figure out what I should put in there. I'm not sure. I'm thinking maybe cables, like all the chargers, everything like that, so that we have them all in one place. I don't want to like buy stuff just so I could put it in there. I want to see like what we have in excess of and we don't have storage for, and then that's when I'll place stuff in there. So we'll see, but I like them. I think they look really cute. I just finished cleaning up. I think I've been cleaning up for around like the past hour. Honestly, it didn't take me that long. I was just kind of like wiping down surfaces, like vacuuming the house and everything, so it didn't really take me that long, but I'll show you guys what it looks like. So I did actually end up moving a few stuff around. So this candle, I don't know if last time I showed you guys what it looked like over here, if this candle was over there, but I moved it because I felt like it was too brown right here. So, and then I put these over here. I just kept them the same, and I put the sunglasses down there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, and then I switched out the pampas over there for some white flowers. I think it kind of balances everything out a bit better. So yeah, I really like how this corner looks. I feel like this is my favorite corner in the whole house. And then I put a blanket over here just because I feel like when people come over and they'll sit on the white couch, they'll get a bit paranoid. So I just wanted to put a blanket just in case anything drops or anything like that, so they don't have to worry about it. And I wiped down all the surfaces and everything like that. I have some bukhur going over here because since me and Adham, let me turn this around. So since me and Adham have been pescatarian, it's been around 2 weeks now, I think, since we've been pescatarian. And we obviously cook fish like almost every day. So I feel like I have to light this bukhur to make the smell go away. Any type of scent that you have going on, like if you were making fish, if you were making shrimps, or anything that like has a super strong smell, like curry or something like that, bukhur will always make the smell go away. So I love to light this. I had my mom, actually no, I took them from my mom when I was in Egypt, and I took a lot of them. So this is what it looks like. Oh, it's called musk in English. Incense. It's an incense stick and it's called musk. So yeah, I love the smell of that. So but I'm probably gonna put it off before my friends come because the smoke is a bit intense. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, the whole house has like crazy smoke right now. Yeah, I don't know if it's showing on camera, but like there's insane smoke going on right now in the house. So I'm probably gonna switch it off before my friends come so that the smoke has time to kind of like air out and go away, and then the scent stays. Yeah, and then I cleaned up over here. I put this plant here because it's kind of dying already, and I felt like it looked a bit too crowded over there next to the Christmas tree, so I moved it here for now. And this is the basket. This is what it's looking like right now. I like its location over here, and I think it fits everything. I can actually put even more in there if I wanted to, but I do like the location over here. I like it better than when I had it here because you don't really see it when you're first coming in. So yeah, and I cleaned up over here. This area was looking horrible, like a mess. So I just cleaned up over here, but I'm gonna start doing my cheese board right now. It's currently 6 and Adham finishes work at 7, so I'm just gonna start doing my cheese board because I also need to take down some garbage before I go pick him up. My battery's flashing, so let me go switch the battery and I'll show you guys what the cheese board looks like also. For the cheese board, I'm gonna be using this board right here. This. I already have, let me see, what can I put in this cheese board? So cheese and dip. Okay, so here are my ingredients for the cheese board. So I'm gonna be putting this dip right here. Yeah, so I think it's always important to have a dip because you have your crackers and maybe some people don't actually want to have cheese on their crackers. So this is my dip, and then this is the cheese that I got. Honestly, I've never tried this before, but we'll see if it's good. And then some olives. Olives are always good on cheese boards. Some grapes. So I think grapes are always really pretty on cheese boards, and they're an easy grab like for guests and stuff. And I realized that it's important to have plain crackers. So nothing flavored, nothing spiced, nothing like that. So just plain, so that people can actually taste the cheese and the dip and everything that you have without being distracted. So plain crackers, that's what I get for my cheese board. I don't know what type of crackers these are. I have no idea. It just says cream crackers, but they're really good.
Used to know, charmed about her arm and wit, a rapid growth, the midnight hope, a dipped I choke as she sips a smoke, lips I provoke. We risk our moments below our noses. Trickle of roses and a pocket full of poems. Baby drinking too much, I guess she knows.
I've been drinking just way too much, thinking I adore you. Please will someone pass me a cup? I'm about to pour you, and I don't wanna waste your time. I've been running around in your mind. I've been drinking way too much, drinking way too much. I've been staring at you for a while, smoking that smoke over there with a smile. I don't know what it is, but you got me in the zone. I don't really wanna get to know you, but we can still have fun, yeah, just us. I've been drinking way too much, drinking way too much.
As you see this story, we want you to think about questions. Questions such as, what is fair play?
So usually I would put some honey on the cheese, but this is the first time that I tried this cheese, and I feel like it's not really honey friendly, like it wouldn't taste good with honey on it. Usually I get brie, and on the brie I put some honey, but this is what it's looking like. I think it looks cute. And then I put the dip in here. So this is the what's it called, pine nut, the pine nut dip, and this is the olives.
I can see you drinking too much.
Lately I can see you acting foolish,
Blatant when you taking aims at Cupid.
but they just don't define your latest true lips. Yeah, they just don't define your latest true lips.
Baby, I can see you drinking too much.
Lately I can see you acting foolish,
Blatant when you taking aims at Cupid.
but they just don't define your